Hello, my name is Arya Patel, and I am an 8th grader in Redland. I'm so excited to bring you my calculator project. So this is my calculator project. There are two options. You can either go 0 to the simple calculator or 1 to the advanced calculator. Let's go to 0, the simple calculator. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. I'm going to type in 0, and we are at the simple calculator. As you can see, this will only work for integers and not decimals. So let's enter the first one, or 5, and then let's add 3. So second one. Anyways, you can see you have 4 operations available: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I'm going to choose addition. As you can see, it waits a little, and it shows you your first number, your second number, and it'll also show you the sum, which is 8. Would you like to clear your screen? I really like clearing my screen, so I'm going to choose yes. Do you want to do another calculation? I will do another calculation, which is yes, which is also 1. So now let me go through the advanced menu. So let's press 1. As you can see, we have 4 options. We can go to the square root of a number, power of a number, remainder, and quotient of division, or quadratic formula. Let's start with the first one, the square root of a number. So I'll type in 1. So let's choose a number. I'm going to choose 25. Okay. So it says that the square root is 5. Anyways, I don't really want to clear my screen right now, so I'm going to press no to clear my screen. Anyways, do you want to do another calculation? Yes, I will. And let's go back to the advanced menu because I have to show you everything else in the advanced menu. So I'm going to start off with power of a remainder. So I'm going to press 2. Let's choose the base, which is going to be 2. And then let's choose the power, which is going to be 4. And as you can see, 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Do you want to clear your screen? Honestly, I do like to clear my screen, so I will. Anyways, let's try another one. I want to go through the entire review of the advanced menu. Let's choose the advanced menu again. And then let's go to the remainder and quotient of the division. So first of all, the dividend, let's choose 6. And the divisor, let's choose 4. You can see the remainder, and you can also see the quotient. The remainder is 2, and the quotient is 1. Would you like to clear your screen? Yes, I would. Let's do another one. Okay, so let's go back to the advanced menu because there's one more thing in the advanced menu, the quadratic formula. So let's choose 4. So this is the format of the quadratic formula, and let's choose A. A will be 4, and B would be 6, and C would be -2. As you can see, it gives you both of the answers of the quadratic function. Would you like to clear your screen? Yeah, I would. Anyways, that's all for the calculator. I'm also going to choose no because I don't want to show you any other calculation. And thanks. And this is it. It's also at the end it says thanks for using this calculator. This is all about the calculator. Thank you for listening to my Python Olympiad project. Anyways, goodbye.